Hey friends, so today we will solve Can You Identify Me quiz. Ready? Let's go. I have stripes like a tiger, but I look like a horse. Can you identify me? The answer is zebra. I sleep during the day and hunt at night. I fly with a noise. Tell me, who am I? The answer is owl. I have stripes on my body and whiskers on my face. My skin is yellow and I belong to a family of cats. I am a... Subscribe. The answer is tiger. I am a naughty animal. I live on trees. My favorite food is bananas. I am a... The answer is monkey. I am a green-colored bird with a curved beak. I can speak your language if you train me well. I am a... The answer is parrot. I have a hump on my back. A few of my family members have two humps also. I am called the ship of the desert. I am a... The answer is camel. I am the largest and the heaviest creature on the earth. My average weight is about 1,20,000 kgs. I am about 30 meters long. I am a... The answer is whale. Everyone gets scared when I roar. I am called the king of the jungle. I am a... The answer is lion. I am the tallest but not heaviest land mammal. I have a long neck to pluck leaves off the high trees. I am a... Subscribe. The answer is giraffe. I can be big or small. I love to play and chase a ball. When you pat me, I wag my tail. I bark when the man comes with the mail. I am a... The answer is dog. I am an Australian marsupial, not usually hopping slowly. When I have a baby, it's always called Joey. I am a... The answer is kangaroo. I often live in the open sea, and I am a mammal that can have the words bottle or spinner as a part of my name. I am a... The answer is dolphin. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.